Hello and welcome to Shopify Experts. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do subscribe it and press the bell icon. Okay, today we are going to review today's stock information, Shopify stock. Okay, for NYSE shop, the price is $684 with minus 10.26, low minus 1.48% change, and TSX shop is $866.67 with minus 13.25 low, that is minus 1.51% change. So here is the price for today. NYSE shop, the volume is 179,464 and the percentage change is minus 1.48, and intraday high is $691.97. 52 weeks high is $1762.92. Intraday low is $677.03. 52 weeks low is $585.03. Today's open is $688.95. Previous close was $694.26. So we will look at the stock chart for the 3 months. Is showing like this. Like after going so high at 1567 in the last 3 months, November 29, 2021, and now it's at 694.26 on February 28, 2022. So there is a much possibility of going it back to this position after 3 months, or maybe double to this position. It was at here 3 months ago. After 3 months, what we are looking at, like here you can see for 1 year it was low and it was again high, and now it's again low, and there is a possibility of getting it again high above this in the next 3 to 4 months or 1 year. So stock quote historical is like here you can see for NYSE shop. If we look at today's date, February 28, it will be days high is 704.07, days low 667.49, volume is 1685998, open 689, and closing price 694.26. So here is the important point for today's stock information. Like if we look at the investment calculator for NYSE shop from the very beginning, January 1, 2007 to March 1, 2022, with chart 10k invested in shop, we'll have this information. As you can see that if we will start from 5/20/2015 to end date 2/28/2022 with start price share $17 and end price share $694, total return is 3983.88%, and average annual total return 72.78%. Starting investment was 10k and the ending investment is 408,367 in 6.78 years. It means like if you have invested it for more than 6 years, then now it's giving you this price, that is about 398.88% high of total return. It was double triple of this value at here in the previous 5 to 6 months. Like it was double than more than 220% up on this date at this time, but now it's at this. It's still valuable, hoping for the best. So here it was the latest stock exchange regarding Shopify stock on February 28, 2022. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe the channel, like the video if you like the information we have provided. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.